The X-Tronic 3020-XTS Soldering Station Kit is a robust 75-watt unit designed for both beginners and experts, offering quick heating capabilities that reach optimal temperatures in under 30 seconds. This comprehensive kit includes 2 helping hands for precision work, a silicone tool mat, 5 extra soldering tips, and a 50-gram roll of solder to support a wide range of soldering projects. Safety features like ESD protection and a 10-minute sleep timer, along with a centigrade to Fahrenheit toggle switch, provide a user-friendly and secure experience. The soldering iron's 40-inch pliable cord and the 55-inch power cord ensure flexibility and convenience during use, minimizing any memory effect. X-Tronic, a United States brand based in Lincoln, Nebraska, emphasizes customer service with lifetime support from experienced technicians and a 3-year warranty on their products. Utilizing advanced PID technology, often referred to as magic temperature compensation technology, this kit guarantees consistent performance and temperature accuracy for superior soldering results.